Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm so excited to be here because I'm going to tell you something that would be really helpful for you if you have decided to start speaking English, but you can't understand from where should you start. See, if you have made your mind to speak English, then this is the right time. You need to start right now. And today I'm here to tell you that how could you start speaking English from day one. See, you may someone who thinks that it's not possible. This is the first day and you have made your mind just now, right now, that you will start speaking English. You will learn how to speak English. See, this is the right time because you must know some English words. With those English words, you can start speaking English. Small words, small sentence, if you are able to make, then start speaking English. Today's video, I will tell you how can you start speaking English. That's why I'm here today. So don't go anywhere, stay with me till the end of the video. Let me tell you something. When I started my English learning journey, I faced a lot of challenges. I couldn't speak a single sentence in English. Not even that. I was not able to make a single sentence in English. But I enrolled in the LLB. I had to speak in English only because my all classes were conducted in English and I was completely blank. I was not able to speak a single sentence in English. Just think about my situation. Whenever I started speaking something in English, I stopped myself because I used to get nervous. I used to think that some people may start laughing at me, but it's not that true. You have to start speaking English from the day one. See, getting nervous while speaking something in English is very normal because this is not our native language. This is not our mother tongue. This language is not our mother tongue. Then how is it possible to say something in English, to speak something in English fluently, being freely? See, don't think about your mistakes. You may make a lot of mistakes, but if you think that I will make a lot of mistakes before speaking something in English, then you will never speak this language. So stop being scared thinking about making a lot of mistakes and don't think about people. People may laugh. Let them laugh. See, I have also struggled with a lot of issues, a lot of challenges, but I have overcome all those problems. And now I can speak a little bit and still I make a lot of mistakes, but I don't think about my mistakes. If I think that I'm making a lot of mistakes, then how is it possible to speak something in English? So I never think about my mistakes, about making a lot of mistakes. I keep speaking. I make a lot of conversation with a lot of people. I just think that the person with whom I'm making a conversation, that person is able to understand me or not. I'm able to convey my thoughts or not. I just think about it only. And I never think about making mistakes. So I'm also telling you, don't think about your mistakes, about making a lot of mistakes. Just start speaking English. You can start with small words. Suppose you are someone who is able to make short sentences. Then start your English speaking journey with those short sentences. You can start with, please come here, please go there and get the things. Please go to the kitchen and get me a glass of water. See, one thing that I have realized so far, that is speaking English is just about convey your thoughts. It's just about to convey your thought and nothing else. If you are able to convey your thoughts to other people, other persons, then you are able to speak this language. There's no need to think about a lot of grammar rules. Just start speaking this language. Start speaking something in this language. If you start speaking this language from today, then after a month or after 2 months, 3 months, you will be much more fluent in this language. Please don't think about perfection. It's all about progress. See, learning English, speaking in English is a long-term process. If you think that after practicing for few months or few weeks or after a year you will be very much fluent. It's not like that. See, every single day you need to improve a little bit, and in this how you will be able to improve your English drastically. But you have to keep learning every day. Please don't think about perfection. It's all about progress. Every single day, if you learn something new, then after a few months, you will be fluent automatically. If you learn 2 or 3 words every day, then after a few months, your vocabulary will improve drastically. See, learning English is a long term process. Speaking in English is a long term process. So, if you think that within few days, within few weeks, I will be very much fluent, it's not like that. You need to keep learning words, learning phrases, learning new sentences, then you will be much more fluent after a few months, after a year. But you have to keep learning every day. Don't stop learning this language. Don't stop learning new things. See, English is a language only. It's all about communication. If you are someone who is able to communicate in English, then you are fluent. But if you are someone who is not able to communicate in English, then start speaking in English. Start communicate with small sentences. You can start with small sentence. Suppose you can say, my name is this. I'm from this country or this city. See, English is a language only. It's all about communication. Don't think about a lot of words, about a big words, about a lot of grammar rules. No need to think about them. Every single day, if you learn 2 or 3 new words, then it would be really good. It would be beneficial for beginners. And every day, try to learn a small rule of grammar. Only a small rule, only a single rule of grammar. And in this how, after a few days, after a month, you will find that you have learned a lot of grammar rules. If you start speaking English every single day, then your brain will start thinking in this language. Your brain will be ready to learn this language very quickly. Let me take an example. Just think about a child. A child can learn a language very quickly. How is it possible? How it happens? Because a child always keeps learning, always keeps trying. And then when he starts speaking, he starts with small words, small words, small sentences. I think you know that because we all have seen small children. So we know that how they learn a language. So you have to also think about this language in that way. You have to learn this language in that way. You have to memorize the small words and you have to use them in your conversation, in your sentence. If you think that there is no one at your home to make a conversation with, then don't worry. You may get a lot of applications. See, you can use a lot of applications. There are a lot of applications that are available nowadays. After being able to make sentences, you can use those applications like CV application, CV speaking English, or you can use Open Talk, SpeakPal, etc. You can install them and you can start speaking English over there. See, you will get a lot of partners over there who are beginner or who are intermediate. So you can make conversation with them. See, it's not like that. Suppose you have got a person who is really very fluent and you need to make a conversation with that person. Then don't disconnect the call after getting that person is really very fluent. Don't disconnect the call. You can start speaking small sentences. You can start your conversation with small sentences like, my name is this, I'm from this city or I'm from this country, and I love to do this and I don't love to do that because these are my hobbies. I don't like these things because these are not my hobbies. So speaking these things, using these sentences, these small sentences, you can continue your conversation. And initially, you can make small sentences and you can use your native language with those English sentences. There is no issue. They can address your sentences. But you need to practice every single day. Just set aside 15 to 20 minutes every day and practice over there. And if you are able to make conversation every single day, then after a few days, you will not get stuck. You will be able to make conversation for a long time. So you need to start making conversation without being scared. Instead of saying, I'm extremely tired, if you say, I'm very tired, then it would be okay. It would be fine. The person with whom you are making a conversation, that person will get to know that you are tired. So please use your small words. Whatever you know, you can use in your conversation. There is no issue. So make friends and speak English with them. Don't think, don't wait for the perfect time. This is the perfect time only. Right now, you need to start speaking English with small words, with small sentences. But if you are confident, then you will grab this language very quickly. So be confident. Speak English with confidence. See, fear is a setback only. Don't let the fear hold you back. You need to defeat it and you need to go ahead. So I hope you will take the first step today. From today onwards, you will start speaking English. So don't wait. Just now, you can start your English journey. I wanted to share this much only. Please try to follow them and start speaking from this day, from today. So this is all about today. I will be back with more content. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.